6/30/2020, Lamb Research. Let us not forget option alert service. We had Lamb Research right here on the channel. I buying the $300 calls right here yesterday. And this morning, we have that big move up like I said that we would. And we had some pretty big positions. We don't sell everything at one time when you have big positions like we do in the option market. But we had sold some here. It pulled back. Okay. It rallies up and we hit $324 and that made the call options $24 in the money. Oh yeah, it did. But you have to understand the option premium and that we're the market makers in that pit. But nonetheless, you lose money by not being here. And now you're going to be watching the same video and what the results were and are. And why don't you take it upon yourself if you want to make changes in your life with your option market making, which you're not, but can be, retail option trading or other option crappy alerts are never going to take you or power you the way that we do. And that is the bottom line. They can't show the results, and we can. And at the end of the day, that's all that counts. Outside of that, it doesn't matter. What does matter is the system, knowing when to be in them before the big move, and we did. And we've been trading Lamb Research ever since it was a publicly traded company, and we have. And so it's the best of the breed. And we sold more of them. We sold at that first high right here. And we did. And we just want people to know that as they were doing their thing and making that 324.85 is by selling more up here at these intraday highs. 99% of the people will never know when to sell them anyway. And you know what I'm talking about. Sound familiar to you? I know it does. It's all right. You want to change it? Then let's get busy. 99% of the people don't know how to sell out on the second highs like we did. And now Lamb Research is pulling back. It's only $2 off of the high. It's the best of the breed. But we're market makers and we take several gains. And we do have the managed account program for those people who want it done for you. Then we have that set up. We do it all for you. And you get to reap the big gains. Yeah, you do. It's called the managed account program. I would get with it. Knowing when to sell at the highs. We sold at the highs twice on Lamb Research. Once again, I'm going to recap the results. Here is Lamb Research date yesterday. You're watching the live video now. You probably watch this one. Okay? And, you know, the thing about it is that it is the best of the semis. There's no doubt about it. And we have various different strategies that we use with these kind of companies. But the main strategy is taking the big gains. Then the second strategy is we may let other stuff run longer term. We buy puts when they want to go down. We make money in every way of the price action print.